Hi, my name is Nick Kindler, and I'm the CEO and Executive Communication Coach at Kindler & Company. At Kindler & Company, we help innovators become better communicators. But when COVID hit, everything went remote. The challenges with just a Zoom call is imagine that I'm just talking like this now, and you can't hear me. Reactiv Suite allows me to create as close to that in-person facilitation, that tactile experience of writing something down, looking at the audience, seeing the head nod, asking them a question, getting their engagement. It's real-time facilitation, tools and technology. It's also, as a user, it's fun. I love being able to use the digital whiteboard, zoom in on things, show videos, and it's just the tactile nature of it makes it feel like you are in a proper facilitation spot or a working room. The tools and having the suite itself makes you feel like you're back in the workshop room. And if you can't be there in person, if it's just not possible, it is a incredible solution to help you bring it to life. The tools that I use most frequently within Reactiv Suite are, first of all, the stylus and drawing. I love being able to accent and underline keywords and phrases. You know, when we're delivering content, when we're delivering a presentation, I'm going to provide specific intonation and accent words as I'm delivering them. I just use the word accent in that way. So I would like to do that. I like to do that with Reactiv. But I also love writing words down, like key phrases, capturing content from the audience. It is literally like having that flip chart paper and being able to move around and build something in real time. So those are my two favorite things, is the stylus and zooming in, circling, making it more tactile, and being able to make people focus on particular areas of the presentation. When I work with Reactiv Suite, people are intrigued. First of all, they always want to know more about it. They're like, what is this thing? Tell me more about it. So I send them over to Reactiv and to Vizzetto. What's interesting about it is sometimes people ask me about it, and sometimes people just find it more engaging. Like I get the reaction going, I felt like I was kind of actually there in the room with you, which is what we're looking for. And in fact, the best solution or the best feedback is when they actually don't say anything. It's not that their feedback is always good, but when they're like, I felt like we were right there in the room with you, that's the best kind of feedback.